about to fall asleep, and then bam, it's in my head, and I hear it, and I got to jump out of bed, and I'll run around the corner, and I'll write down a sentence or two, and that'll be the song, and I'll know it's there, and I can go to sleep now. And then when I get up and I read that sentence in the morning, it's still there, floating around, and I can hear that same song happening again. So this song is one of the more recent ones I wrote, and it's one of the only pieces I've ever composed. It doesn't really have repetition or anything. It was just like a flowing moment through the whole thing. So let's see how it goes. It's called Man on a Mission. It's a little bit allegorical, not particularly literal about anything.
Searching for the answers to questions no one asked. Really struggled with the troubles that were posted by his past. Sure he was that someday soon these moments would make sense. Head down, nose to the wheel, these problems would relent. He was a man on a mission, determined to succeed. Hardly mattered what the price, you know, he paid to proceed. He was a man on a mission, man who can't be swayed. So move aside, join his cause, don't get in his way. Burner, you burn so bright. Oh, burner, burner, you burn so bright. Oh, burner, burning, you burn so bright, like a wildfire high on the hills at night. Oh, tender, tender, won't you keep the watch? Oh, God, the burner, burning high on the rocks. Tender, tender, won't you keep him burning all night long? Don't you let him burn too strong. Tender, tender, won't you keep the watch? Tender, tender, won't you keep the watch? Let the watch rise like the night.
I have to work on my stage presence.
Well, he never quit, as the times moved on without. Till his road was long, he stayed the way, but one day his path went down. And on the edge of the precipice,